Alright, this is looking off to the northwest of Marshmallow Field. And I actually think this here is a triangular ship mimicking a helicopter again. As I can hear helicopter sound coming from this. But it sure don't look like a helicopter. Those are the Orion strobes. I can tell those strobes anywhere. Oh yeah, that's an Orion triangular craft. But hear the helicopter sound. Excellent example of a mimicry or a cloak. Thank you for this sighting, my friends. An example of mimicry. But that's triangular craft right there.
Hold on.
Yep, see that? It's triangular. Triangular ship. Thanks. It's off to the east, southeast right now.